Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by defining exactly what baby mesh is for your use. That clarity saves time. Gather a photo, dimensions, and 2-3 keywords, then open an image search and shopping site. Type an exact phrase in quotes and scan product titles. This finds close matches fast. Once you have a candidate, compare measurements and materials against your notes, and add price and seller filters. Doing this first reduces false leads and gets you to relevant listings without guessing. Once you spot likely matches, inspect each listing closely for mesh density, fabric type, and safety certifications. That tells you if it suits infants. Cross-check weight and size specs against your measurements, and read the seller's return policy so you aren't stuck. Use reverse image search to find identical products under different names, and scan parenting forums for real-world feedback. Make sure to compare shipping times and total cost. Subtle differences determine whether a product is worth ordering. You complete the process by ordering the best match and preparing for immediate fit testing when it arrives. Try the mesh in its intended setup, check attachment security, breathability near the baby, and how the fabric behaves under typical loads. If it fits, secure loose edges and keep the receipt. If it fails, note defects, take photos, and use the return window or contact the seller for exchange. As a troubleshooting tip, if dimensions are slightly off, a local tailor or modifications often solve fit issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.